Would you like to examine the cup? Perfect. Thank you. And a little ball. This is a fun little game. This is called the warm-up here. Just shake it up like that. Just try that, Adam. Shake it up real good. Give her a round of applause. Yeah. No one's ever done it that well.
I'll be here all night.
Yeah. Now that we've warmed up, we're going to play the game, okay? The magical cup and ball game. I have to put the ball in my pocket, make it jump from my pocket back under the cup without just seeing it out. Understand the rules? Good, let's start the game. That was kind of sneaky. Let's try it again. See, what happened was, when I did this, right, you were watching the hand. But then you watch the hand, you can't see what's going on with it. That's what happened. Now, I'm going to give you a chance to win some money. If you guess right now, then you get $100. But not from me, from Doug. Is it under the cup or in my pocket? Give her a round of applause again! Yeah! Put your finger on top. No, hold it. I don't want to cheat. I'll do it in slow motion so that all cheating will be fair this time. Did you see it go? No? It's it. The ball's under there, but it's yellow and it looks like a lemon.
Okay, so now I saw something under there, but it was not a lemon.
And this lemon doesn't fit under there. Check it out for yourself. It doesn't fit. Thank you. Let's hear it for my friends. All right, Carter.